You gonna open them? Go ahead. Go ahead and open them. Get back. You want some help? Okay, let me help you. There we go. There we go. Now get it. Here, right here, look. Oh, and this one too? Okay. Ooh. What pretty paper. Rip it. Whoa! Is it heavy? That one's from Varo. Oh, what could it be? Oh, Minnie? Oh, what is this? Ooh, what is that? Minnie. It's Minnie books, I think. Open? Okay. Let's pause.
Open.
Okay, do this one. Get your hair out of your face.
Oh, baby.
What is it?
Baby.
A baby?
Oh, baby.
Get it open. You got it. Oh, wow. I'll take it. Here, let me help you. Pull the paper. Oh. What is that?
No.
Oh. Here, look at the baby. Wow. Good job. Okay, you want to get the other one? You like that baby? Yeah. Good job. See the baby? Yeah, okay, get the other one. There's one more. Okay, open. Remember how to do it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right here. Pull hard. Pull it. There we go. Aunt Tara's a good rapper. Pull hard. Pull. There we go. Here we go. Come open this. Right here. Open. Here. Oh. Jammies? Or is it a jacket? Oh, it's jammies. You like them? Yeah. Let's set the phone down for just a second. one more we gotta go get. Okay? Now wait a minute.
No.
Okay, hold on. There's one more. Here. Sampa. Pull. Pull here. Pull. Hard. Pull out. Pull it. Pull. Got my help? Oh, what's that? Open. Pull. Ugh. Pull. You pull and I'll pull the other side. Who's on there? What is that? What's right here? Monkey? What's a monkey say? Oh, how cute. Open. Okay, here's one more. Open. Pull. Pull hard. Oh. This says, Gracie is going to Grandma's house. How cute. Look, you can put this in here. Oh, you want to open it? Okay, well, where's the zipper? Over here. Can you say thank you? Say thank you. And put it in there? Oh, okay. That's kind of what I was thinking, too. Well, that's just the bottom of the bag, I think. Put it in there. Say bye-bye. Say thank you. Love you. Merry Christmas. Say, no? What about Santa? Santa. Look at this here. Baby. You love the baby?
No.
No. Okay. Okay, say bye-bye. Thanks, guys. We love you.